Flippity.net has a great option for digital bingo cards. Once you get to Flippity.net, scroll down to Flippity Bingo, click Instructions, and you just put the terms in here. Right now it's all the states, so I click in there, Command A to highlight it all, delete. I'm going to paste in a list of products for some multiplication practice. You can type in any range of things in here. And before I click generate, I'm going to bookmark this. I'm going to click this little star at the top, and I'm going to make a new folder, call it bingo or call it flippity, and then I'm going to name this multiplication bingo because mine's multiplication. And this will help me find it again so that I can generate it. I can change the terms if I want and maybe make it harder, maybe make it focused on 10s, 11s, and 12s for the products. And then I click generate. Once I click generate, here's my list of terms again. And I click play, and the students would scan this QR code. Each time a student scans that, they get a different board generated for them. It automatically shuffles the items around, but if the student doesn't like their board, they can refresh it to get a different board, or if you're playing multiple rounds, you can have them refresh. It marks the space for you. If you tap it again, it unmarks it, so if they make a mistake. This works very well on the iPad. It's nice because you don't have to distribute bingo chips. And when they're done, they can clear the board with the eraser down here. It's a very nice way to generate some bingo cards quickly, play it digitally, not have to worry about the bingo chips. Very quick and easy.